I'm Andrea de Nardis. I'm the R&D manager of a company ISAC, and we are here to introduce our new products on CNC and motion control based on InTime platform. Our products are based on motion control, so we provide a generic purpose motion control with IEC 1131 language integrated and PLC open motion control part 1 library included, plus several stacks for communicating with Ethercat, PowerLink, CAN-open and many other feed buses. And on the other side, a CNC controller that uses the same stacks for communication, but it is powerful enough even for robotic applications targeting non-Cartesian kinematics up to 6 degrees of freedom. It helped a lot because it provides a reliable operating system, multi-core ready, and we are using it in order to create a package that can run in any industrial PC, so we are not bound to provide the hardware, and this is very important for providing the solution outside of Italy or in general outside of Europe, where we cannot sell the hardware directly. We need to move to 6.2 because the application that we are showing at the exhibition required the full support of C++11, and that's the main benefit of the 6.2 that we catched. It was a very important achievement, and we are very grateful to TenAsys that provided it.